Good morning, dear students, class 5. I am Vijay Kumar Jha, your English teacher. Today, I am going to teach you your first lesson of your literature. Name of the topic is The Farmer Who Became a Doctor. This is part first today. I hope you would have opened your book before you to go through the lines of the story. This story, The Farmer Who Became a Doctor, has been written by Meera Nair. The writer has tried here to express the wish of a doctor when he wanted to become a doctor. Here, first of all, the farmer tried to become a doctor by selling his grass to a doctor. While putting up the signboard outside his house that he was a doctor, he made a big mistake. And that very mistake brought a big change in farmer's life that we are going to learn now. Just you must be surprised to know that who was a farmer just became a doctor, and how he got this chance, how he became famous in the royal king. You must be interested to know this. So whatever the difficult words for you, I feel I write on the on your page. Take care this. You will write difficult words also. Now go through the story how a farmer wished to become a doctor and how he got this chance, and how one of his mistake at the time of putting up the signboard outside his house brought a big change in farmer's life. Now go through the story. There was a farmer and he was on his way to the market. At that time, the farmer met a doctor. Now the doctor told the farmer, "Stop, my good man." Who was good man? Good man was the farmer. And the doctor told the farmer that he would buy all his grass. "State your price," the doctor demanded. The doctor asked the price of his grass. The two bargained and finally agreed to an arrangement. Means, who were the two? The doctor and the farmer both finally bargained and became agree to buy that grass. Fair exchange. You get my cane, hat, cloak, and thick book of medicine. I all the grass. Means, the doctor told the farmer that he will give the farmer his cane, hat, cloak, and thick medicine book also, and instead of that, the doctor will take all the grass of the farmer. Now the farmer returned home when the doctor gave all his apparatus, all his things which were with him at that time, and bought all the grass of the farmer returned home. Now his wife asked him whether he had sold all the grass for that very useless thing. The farmer replied to his wife affirmatively and told that he can fulfill his dream of becoming a doctor. When his wife asked why he had sold his grass for these useless things, the farmer replied his wife that he wanted to become a doctor, and to fulfill his dream of becoming doctor, he had sold his grass for the useless things that his wife had told her. Now, next day, don't look like a doctor now. What happened? The farmer put on all the things which were given to him by the doctor and asked his wife whether he looked like a farmer or not. Now farmer's wife told him, no one will know you are a doctor unless you put up a sign outside. The farmer's wife suggested him to put up a signboard outside, otherwise no one will know that the farmer became a doctor. This idea set in the farmer's mind, and the farmer put up a signboard outside his house, but being a simpleton, he did not realize that he had made a mistake. Now, the farmer put up a signboard outside of his house and made a mistake. But what mistake he had made? Because he was simpleton, he was a simple man, he was a generous hearted man. So what mistake he himself had done, he could not realize it. What were written? Look the book line here in the picture. Here lives the greatest detective in the world. Now you would have understood, my dear students, what was the mistake of the farmer. Instead of writing doctor, he had written on the signboard detective. What is the difference between a detective and doctor? The farmer did not know. The farmer was a simple man, that's why he could not understand the thing, the difference. Now see how my fortune changed. After putting up the signboard outside his house, the farmer himself boasted on himself that this will change his fate. Fortune, write down Fortune. Fortune means fate. Fate. Fate means bhagya, bhavishya. The king's messenger happened to pass that way at the time when the farmer was putting up the signboard. At that time, the king's messenger was passing through that way. Now what happened? The messenger rushed to the palace and informed the king about the sign he had read. When the messenger read the signboard put by the farmer, he read it and hurriedly came to inform the king. Ask him to find my horses, I will reward him handsomely. On the board it was written, here lives the greatest detective in the world. Now, detective means a spy who can know anything hidden anywhere. So, just after having the information by the messenger, the king ordered his messenger to tell the detective to find his horses, and for that very work the king will reward him generously. Handsomely. Write down here. Handsomely means generously. Generously means open-heartedly. Open-heartedly means if the detective will find out where the king's horses had been hidden, the king will reward the detective. Detective, who is detective? The farmer is detective, na? Instead of writing doctor on the signboard, he had made mistake and he had written detective. And the work of detective is to find out anything that is hidden, just like the work of an spy. So the farmer was poring over the doctor's thick book. Now, my dear students, what happened now after the order of the king to find his horses, we will learn tomorrow. Your time is going to be over. So, the work of the detective means farmer will be discussed tomorrow. Till here, your time is going to be over. So, I hope that you would have understood till now that in the story there is a farmer who wants to become a doctor, and by selling his grass he has obtained different things which a doctor has, and at the time to put up a signboard on outside of his house, he had made a mistake at the time to write on the signboard, and because of that very mistake, what have change has come in his life, that has been explained in this story. Till now you have learned that the doctor sold the farmer sold his grass, took the things of the doctor and put up a signboard, and the king's messenger read it, informed to the king, and then and there the king told the messenger to tell the detective to find the horses which had been missing. And now what is the reply, what is the action of the detective, we will learn tomorrow. Thank you.